I love the way that it just absorbs straight into the skin. It doesn't sit on the skin, and it just feels like your skin is getting a real drink. That's the only way that I can describe it. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty Fortified. I'm Sue. If you're new here, welcome. I make hair care, skincare and makeup videos for the more mature woman. And you have come at just the right time. Today I'm going to be talking about the iconic Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Now, this has been one of my favorite products over the years, and it is rather spendy, so I only tend to buy it when it's on special or when it comes with a free gift. So this one is a 75ml bottle. It generally comes in a 30ml and a 50ml, but I got the 75ml for the same price as a 50. So it was one of those bargains that, well, not a bargain because it is expensive, but I kind of felt like I was getting some added value. Now, this product has been around for 38 years. It was invented in 1982, and it's a classic example of an Estee Lauder product that has evolved along with technology. So it has seen some different incarnations, and I'm just going to briefly give you a little bit of the history. So the timeline: it was invented in 1982. It was called the Night Repair Cellular Recovery Complex. Then in 1991, they changed it to the Advanced Night Repair Protective Recovery Complex, and they just reformulated the formula, the serum, and they added a few more ingredients because of research that they had done since its inception. And then in 2002, they came up with the Advanced Night Repair Eye Recovery Complex. And then in 2009, they relaunched the product as the Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex. And again, they had then patented an ingredient called Chronolux technology. And the formula has over 20 patents worldwide. And then in 2010, they came up with Advanced Night Repair Eye Synchronized Complex. And in 2012, that was the latest evolution. It became the Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex. Now, I am not a scientist. I'm not a dermatologist. So I have a very limited knowledge of the ingredients and the technology behind the brand, and I will put a link down below to Dr. Dre. Now, she's a dermatologist who reviews products, and she gives this product quite a glowing review, and she also goes into the science behind it. So basically, at the core of this product is hyaluronic acid and marine extract, and both of those together are humectants, which draw water into the skin. And then along with those ingredients, there are other ingredients that claim to rejuvenate your skin overnight. Now, all I can say about this product without going into the science, as I say, because I don't know a lot about it at all, but I just love this product on the skin. I love what it does to my skin. I love the way that it just absorbs straight into the skin. It doesn't sit on the skin, and it just feels like your skin is getting a real drink. That's the only way that I can describe it. And when you wake up in the morning, it looks like you have had a good 8 hours sleep. So that's why I use it, and that's why I love it. And also because it's been around for 38 years, there is a lot of science behind it, and Estee Lauder have reformulated it over the years to keep up with different discoveries in technology. So there is a lot of credibility behind it, and that's why I love it so much. Now, how you use it is at night you just put 3 or 4 drops into your hand, you warm up the product on your skin, and then you just gently pat it into your skin, and it will just soak in immediately. And when I was doing a little bit of behind the scenes research on the product, I discovered on one of the Estee Lauder sites, I think it was the American one, they actually give you 3 other uses for the product, which I had never thought about. And the first one is putting 1 or 2 drops of the product into your Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. And you can do this to sheer out the foundation if you find that you don't need the full coverage of the foundation. Just mix in a couple of drops and it really does just sheer everything out. And that's what I've got on today. Another use for the product is just to rejuvenate your skin throughout the day. You can apply it over your makeup. So you just put 2 or 3 drops into the palm of your hand. You just rub your hands together and you just press it lightly over your makeup, and it kind of gives you a beautiful glow, and it also just revitalizes your skin. So that's the second use. The third use that they talk about is rubbing it into your cuticles as a kind of moisturizer. Now, that's a little bit extravagant considering that it is such an expensive product, but once you've applied it at night, you can definitely just rub in the excess and make sure that you get it into the tops of your hands and onto your cuticles. So that's one way of doing it. So guys, let me know if you've used this product and what your thoughts are. I'm always interested to hear what you think. I have been onto both the international website and the local website, and there are people that give reviews on the product, and overwhelmingly there are 5-star reviews, which I thought was quite interesting. And everything that anyone's got to say on there, giving it 5 stars, I can wholeheartedly agree with. So let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Ciao, ciao.